Here's an update on the floppy disk. So basically what happened today is that I figured out what was wrong. It says that it's wipe protected, so I looked up how to unwipe protect it, because when it's wipe protected you can't exactly mess or see the information, I guess. So basically what I did at first was put pieces of tape over this place, and basically I thought it would do it like the VHS tape. You have to except in this case you have to cover up the tab to make sure that the information can be read. And I guess it wasn't strong enough, and it pushed down on the tape to where I could read it, so it wasn't effective. It wasn't that effective. Pokemon fainted. I don't know. So I used something stronger that I knew wouldn't exactly break as much, or it wouldn't be to where it could push down and read it. I used paper from that index card and put some tape together, and yeah, as you can see, it's what it is. This time I got a different message. Since I had no choice but to format it, it would sort of format, it would start working, but then it would say Windows could not complete the format. So at least it said something different, and it actually makes noises when it's in there. It sounds like it's doing something, but it always ends up to be just not working. So I need the wipe protect tab thing, and apparently the index card paper isn't working, because I need the wipe protect tab in order to even use it. So there's that. I'm out of options. If I can, I'll look for more options, but if I can't, I'll just have to give up. It's a shame. See ya.